let's bake and cook stuff. Today we're making pumpkin cake donuts.
Okay.
Wait, this is the mascot. I just made Cookie.
Okay, let's just go put her down so we can mess all over her.
Really, Zoe? That's rude, Zoe.
We can't get a mess on Cookie.
Dang. Okay, let's put the stuff in. So somebody put eggs in, and then the next person put the oil in, so that nobody cries about it.
Eggs put in here?
Yeah? Can you try and get them in the bowl though this time instead of all over the counter?
Yes.
Good job. This is a half a cup of vegetable oil. Yes, good job.
Yes.
1.5 cups of granulated sugar.
Like, make sure it's...
Put it all in there. Don't, yeah, see, I gave you a lighter bowl so it won't drop and fall. There you go. Okay. Now Emma's turn.
Tons of pumpkin.
I do not like it. It tastes like baby food.
What do you mean?
Maybe you liked it when you were a baby. Take a little longer.
It's okay.
Pumpkin pie spice.
Yeah.
1.5 teaspoons or a half a tablespoon, depending on who you are.
I want it all in. So tap, tap, tap.
Okay, so it's all in. Time to put in, what's this called? Salt.
Salt. 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
And then
And
baking powder.
1.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
We're not getting
Good
it
job.
all over the camera.
Okay, now this has to be mixed until smooth. You're gonna turn it on
It's gonna be my
low. All right, that looks smooth to me. Now Emma's gonna put in 1 3/4 cup
Emma,
plus
can
2
we do it
tablespoons of
together?
flour. So just short of 2 cups of flour.
Then we have to wait.
All right, that looks good.
Now lift it up.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna fill piping bags to make it easier to fill the donut holes, donut slots. Watch the Emma.
I like doing
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Oops. Try not to spill it all over like Grandma just did.
Uh-oh.
You gotta hold. You gotta.
There you
Okay.
go.
See the next one.
That's better.
Okay. You gotta make that noise too when you do it. Oops. Stop blobbing it all over.
Is Zoe doing it? Or is it you?
Some.
And then
Can I taste the some
you want
that's
to
in
fill
here?
them pretty much all the way up. Yep. See, you gotta make that noise.
How come Emma gets to do it by herself?
Because she's a little bit bigger. You need to fill them up more, silly.
I am big.
Okay. You're not filling them up.
See how big I am?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna bake the donuts for 350
Minutes.
No,
I don't think 350 minutes. 350-degree oven.
Yeah.
And then
15 to 18 minutes.
yeah, 15 to 18 minutes.
And then we'll be back.
Then we'll be back. See you later.
Bye.
They were baked for
They
15
need to bake
minutes.
They need to bake for 15 minutes.
Okay.
So we're gonna take them
Out.
and we're gonna place them
On
on
the
the
cooling
thing.
well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Zoe. So we each get to do 6. So you have 3. I have 3.
Yeah, so we're gonna.
It's hot.
They look like little bottoms. I mean,
Like this.
Just pull a little bit out. There you go.
Ooh, my hand.
Yeah, they're still pretty warm. Okay, they need to cool off and then we'll be back. Okay, Emma's stirring the sugar into the cinnamon. We have 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Yep. And look at how they turned out.
And your mom just did it wrong, so
No.
it's just gonna be this, just the top. 'Cause
No,
you
it has to be both.
Okay, whatever. Zoe, you do yours.
Okay. Okay, now dip it in there.
Zoe just wanted hers just in sprinkles. So.
I don't.
What?
I don't want all these.
That's what you said you wanted. And you cried about it. Yeah, you did. Okay. We're not doing them all because it says not to do them all unless you're going to eat them. Okay. We're going to save these.
I'm going to try this. This one. My mind is blown. This tastes delicious.
I never had cupcakes in my life.
You never had cupcakes?
No, these.
Donuts?
Yeah, we've never had pumpkin cake donuts. These taste good.
They're good? Do they taste like pumpkin?
Mm-hmm.
We're saving these because the recipe says not to coat them until the day you eat them because it sinks into the donut. So, okay, what are we saying?
Thanks for
Bye.
watching.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.